Samples, freshly made and freshly baked, coconut cake, I didn't know Marrow were here. Any cats there?
And if it does come up, those with umbrellas, please hang on to them tightly, but definitely no drones, kites or balloons, please. This is a restricted airspace zone, and anything like that is a clear and obvious danger to the aircraft plane later on. Now, amongst the aircraft features today, we have a number of sponsors. Top of that is our gold sponsor of
My cousin's a Leicester fan. Really? Yeah, she.
Mate, in all honesty, I'm the luckiest man in the world.
Well, any testers, mate, you're more than welcome to try them on.
Someone's taking over from Dudley. Yeah, there we go. Oh, remember that mount there? Oh, that's that good. So what would I expect back? Yeah.
Mum, did you bring that hose thing?
Chips, I'm going to get 40 boxes of chips.
It's only the box stuff.
We learned the hard way yesterday.
They're £2 or £3.
Mix and match your numbers down. Mix and match your tickets to the You give us 21 and we'll give you any prize on the show, any prize that you like here today. For one win only now. Who's going to be the next lucky winner? Simple easy game if you want to play. Simple easy game if you want to win now. Who's going to be the next lucky winner? Open them up, add up the numbers down. Mix and match your numbers here today. Mix and match your tickets. Mix and match your numbers. Mix and match your tickets down. Who's going to be the next lucky winner? Simple easy game if you want to play. Simple easy game if you want to. Oh, well done, well done, well done. There's our next lucky winner. There's our next super win. There's our next lucky winner right away. 21 straight, 21 black and
That's cool.
Any other ones like that? You have
I want this paraffin. Yeah.
Yeah, so what we do, so because you're a bit busy managing our yeah, nice games you want for I think
is it really just me, my love? You know my damn now pimpin' for real. You ever been down to Memphis to see my love? I ain't saying I agree, my love.
To help reconcile and obviously rendezvous with each other during the course of the afternoon. The programme is absolutely brilliant, by the way. Real bumper edition this year, just £10. Make sure you pick up that as well. Let's tell you more in a lot of detail with some great photography about the aircraft to fly with today, and also more importantly about what is going on around the seafront and in the town this evening as well, and during the weekend as you're hopefully staying with us during this time. Well, flight starts in approximately 20 minutes time. We're kicking off with a whole range of different aircraft. In the first section, we've got the Tutor, the Collars, we've got one of the largest heavy
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome this flight into the field of foundation. You're about to experience the dynamics of life. So, please pay attention to the following safety messages. At all times, keep your arms and legs up. You must remain seated for the duration of the ride. For your added comfort, there are grab rails in front of you and an emergency stop button above your head. Now, prepare yourself for an airborne flying display in one of the world's most advanced three-row combats. We are ready to roll. It's time to hand over to your pilot, Keith.
Oh, what's it coming down here, mate?
You're getting a bunch of you get tomorrow.
might not pop up all. Yeah,